And the social problems that one will have in substituting humans for machines is going to be far easier in those countries that have declining populations.
Picture this: countries with shrinking populations, fewer people, but potentially greater prosperity. It's a paradox, right? Well, according to Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, this paradox might hold the key to our technological future. Fink boldly claims that countries experiencing depopulation, yes, those with fewer babies and aging citizens, could be the big winners. Why? Because they'll rapidly develop robotics, AI, and cutting-edge technology. Listen to what he had to say.
I could argue in the developed countries, the big winners are countries that have shrinking populations. Okay, that's something that most people never talked about. You know, we always used to think shrinking population is a cause for negative growth. But in my conversations with the leadership of these large developed countries that have xenophobic immigration policies, they don't allow anybody to come in, shrinking unemployment, shrinking demographics, these countries will rapidly develop robotics and AI and technology. And if the promise, I didn't say it's going to happen, but if the promise of all that transforms productivity, which most of us think it will, we'll be able to elevate the standard of living of countries and the standard of living of individuals, even with shrinking populations. And so the paradigm of negative population growth is going to be changing. And the social problems that one will have in substituting humans for machines is going to be far easier in those countries that have declining populations. And so for those countries that have rising populations, the answer will be education, and so rapidly developing. You know, for those countries that do not have a foundation of rule of law or education, they're going to be left. That's where the divide's going to get more and more extreme. And unfortunately.